Welcome to Jeffrey Court's new Chapter 5 Modern Mixer. Whether hosting a stunning soiree or simply enjoying some casual cocktails with friends, our new Chapter 5 Modern Mixer sets the perfect scene. This new collection embodies the simplicity and boldness of the mid-century modern aesthetic. Mid-century design brings form and function together, using clean lines and a minimalist approach. This retro style highlights the materials used in a setting and uses a mix of natural hues. The tiles in this selection embrace the style and timelessness of the mid-century era, serving as the foundation to your design or a bold statement piece. We specifically took inspiration from the architecture and design found in Old Palm Springs and what the nostalgic feelings driving through the city evokes. The Modern Mixer is a new take on Terrazzo material, modernizing the mosaics with marble blends, finishing it off with the delicate metal liner. The Terrazzo is available in 4 neutral and versatile colorways. Spirits features an off-white base with white, black, and rust-colored aggregate. Bourbon features an off-white base with white, gray, and taupe aggregate. GIBSON features a light gray base with a larger gray and white aggregate. Finally, we have Vermouth, a charcoal gray base with larger gray and white aggregate. Plus, a delicate brushed metal liners in gold, copper, and silver adds a sophisticated transition within tiles. 4 mosaics patterns with sleek and stylish designs, each with a mid-century inspired geometric look. Cloven mosaic uniquely combines terrazzo and natural stone in a unique cross-hatched pattern, made up of triangles and thin trapezoids. Sunder mosaic features an eclectic array of triangles inspired by sundial shadows. This mosaic is a timeless statement piece with an edge. Timeless chevron pattern upgraded in terrazzo. Great for bringing patterns to outdoor-indoor spaces where traditionally only field tiles were used. And we also have a classic pattern 3-inch hexagon. The Modern Mixer Terrazzo is also available in 2 field tile sizes. We have a 3x12 and an 8x16, which are traditional subway tiles you can arrange in a variety of patterns, including stacked, offset, and herringbone. We also have this 16x16 paver, which is perfect for large format installations. Each of these field tiles can be used indoors and outdoors for a seamless transition between settings. Bringing this whole collection together are the trim pieces. First, we have a terrazzo dome trim piece that creates the perfect transition between the tile and another material, or between field tiles and mosaics. The dome trim piece is available in all 4 terrazzo colors. Then we have the metal transition liner in 3 colors: gold, silver, and copper. Each liner features a smooth, brushed finish and is reminiscent of the metal accents used in mid-century design. This refreshing collection includes a total of 8 field tiles, 4 pavers, 16 mosaics, and 7 trim pieces. Be sure to visit jeffreycourt.com to see the full lineup and find inspiration for your next installation. To achieve your desired look, Jeffrey Court recommends that you inspect and confirm the tile and layout prior to installation. It is highly recommended to blend products from multiple cartons to ensure a proper uniform look. For specific item-by-item shade variation rating, please reference each product's specific webpage on jeffreycourt.com. We recommend appointing a professional tile setter who has experience setting terrazzo. Chapter 5 Modern Mixer requires the expertise of a qualified and detail-oriented mechanic. This will ensure that the investment made to procure this product is also teamed with a proper installation. A high-quality white polymer mortar for large format tile is recommended. Examples of suitable mortars include Bostik large format floor polymer modified mortar for large format tile, Custom Building Products Flex Bond LFT Premium Crack Prevention Large Format Tile Mortar, or MyPay Ultraflex LFT Premium Large and Heavy Tile Mortar with Polymer. Staining of terrazzo may occur if terrazzo is not sealed prior to grouting when using a darker color grout. For items that include metal, we recommend Prism Ultimate Performance Grout. Be sure to keep the film over the metal accents during grouting and cleaning. This will prevent scratching and damaging of the metal during installation. A high-quality penetrating sealer is recommended to be applied to the terrazzo before and after grouting. Visit jeffreycourt.com to view the entire Chapter 5 Modern Mixer collection, and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and LinkedIn to keep up with the latest Jeffrey Court news.